Hey guys, it's Kollin Haws with Valley Audiology here in Phoenix, Arizona. And I wanted to answer another common question that I hear in our offices. And that question is, will a hearing aid restore my hearing? Now, most people with hearing loss can be treated with hearing aids. Medical treatments and surgeries are really only beneficial in about 5% of adults with hearing loss. Now, hearing is extremely complex. It starts with our ears, but it ends with our brain. Our brain is the processor for all of that information it's receiving. So when we add hearing aids to help us hear sounds better, it can be difficult for us to get used to that amplification and those hearing aids. We're essentially retraining our brain how to hear and understand. We want to focus on some sounds and filter out other sounds, just like we do with our natural hearing and if we had normal hearing. Now, hearing aids are a great tool, but they don't cure your hearing loss, just like glasses don't cure our vision. But they're an excellent tool and they can greatly improve our ability to hear and understand, but also our quality of life. And the good thing is, this is a fantastic time to be in the hearing aid industry as a patient. Hearing aids are extremely advanced, technologically advanced. They're very discreet and they're very comfortable. So here at Valley Audiology, we'd love to help you answer any questions that you might have. Make sure to visit our website, valleyaudiologyaz.com, like us on Facebook, and like this video. Thanks for watching.